Hello, hello. Welcome back to Ellie English Hub, the place where learning English feels like a real conversation. I'm Ellie.
And I'm Leo. Hey everyone, so happy you're with us today.
Leo. Quick question. What do you do when you finish work? Like, what do you enjoy in your free time?
Oh, good question. I enjoy cooking. I really love it, and I often go for long walks in the evening. What about you, Ellie?
I enjoy reading, especially in the morning with a coffee. And I often watch films on the weekend, usually something cozy.
Did you notice something, listeners? We just used two very important English phrases, I enjoy and I often, totally naturally in a real conversation.
And today, that's exactly what we're going to practice. Hobbies and free time, one of the most common topics in English. People ask you this at work, at school, when you meet new friends.
After this episode, you'll be able to talk about your hobbies in English with confidence. What you like, how often you do it, and why you love it. Let's go.
And if you're new here, welcome to the family. We speak slowly and clearly because your comfort matters. Subscribe so you never miss a new lesson. Okay, let's start with the two key phrases of today. Phrase number one, I enjoy. I enjoy plus verbing. Enjoy is always followed by a verb with ing. I enjoy reading, slash, I enjoy cooking, slash, I enjoy swimming. Never, I enjoy to read. That's a very common mistake.
Let me give you some examples. I enjoy playing guitar. I enjoy watching documentaries. I enjoy spending time with my family. You see, always verb plus ing after enjoy.
Now, phrase number two, I often. I often, frequency adverb, often tells us how frequently you do something. Other frequency words, always, usually, sometimes, rarely, never. Example, I often go running. I sometimes watch TV. I never wake up late. Well, almost never.
And you can combine them. Listen, I enjoy running and I often go running at the weekend. Beautiful sentence, natural English.
Your turn. Pause this video right now. Think of one hobby you enjoy. Say out loud, I enjoy and I often. Go ahead. We'll wait.
Amazing. That sentence you just said, that's real English. You're already doing it.
Now let's have a real conversation about hobbies. Leo, I want to know more about you. What do you enjoy doing in your free time? What do you enjoy doing in your free time? This is one of the most common questions in English conversation, at interviews, on dates, with new friends. Learn it by heart.
Great question. Well, I really enjoy cooking. I'm quite into Italian food right now. Pasta, risotto, that kind of thing. I'm quite into a casual, natural way to say you're interested in something. I'm into equals I really like slash I'm interested in. I'm into photography. I'm into yoga lately. Very common in everyday English.
Oh, that's amazing. How often do you cook? How often do you use this to ask about frequency? The answer uses always slash, usually slash, often slash, sometimes slash, rarely, slash, never. How often do you exercise? How often do you read? Very useful question.
I cook almost every day. I usually make dinner after work. It helps me relax after a long day. It helps me relax, slash, it's a way to... These phrases explain why you enjoy a hobby. It helps me relax, slash, it's a way to clear my mind, slash, it makes me happy. Great phrases for deeper conversations.
I love that. And what about the weekends? Do you have any other hobbies?
Yes, I also enjoy hiking. I often go to the mountains on weekends. Fresh air, beautiful views, it's perfect. What about you, Ellie? What are you into these days?
Lately, I've been really into photography. I got into it about 6 months ago, and now I take my camera everywhere. I got into it, slash, I've been into it lately. I got into it equals I started to enjoy it. I got into yoga last year, slash, I got into cooking during lockdown. A very natural conversational phrase.
That's so cool. Do you prefer taking photos of people or nature?
Definitely nature. I enjoy being outside, and photography gives me a reason to explore new places. I often go to parks early in the morning when the light is beautiful.
Wow, that sounds really peaceful. I love how different our hobbies are, but we both enjoy them for the same reason. They help us relax and feel good.
Exactly, and that's what hobbies are for. Now, listeners, Did you notice all the phrases we used? Let's go through the most important ones together.
Okay, now let's practice asking and answering questions about hobbies. I'm going to ask Ellie some questions, and you listen carefully. Then you can use the same questions with your friends. Ellie, are you good at photography? Are you good at slash I'm good at slash I'm not very good at? Use this to talk about skill level. I'm quite good at drawing. I'm not very good at singing, but I enjoy it. It's okay not to be perfect at your hobby. Honesty is charming.
Honestly, I'm not very good yet, but I'm getting better. I practice every week. I think the most important thing is to enjoy it, not to be perfect.
I totally agree. And how long have you been doing photography? How long have you been doing? This question asks about duration. Answer. For plus time or since plus point in time. I've been doing it for 6 months. Slash, I've been playing guitar since I was a teenager.
I've been doing it for about 6 months. I started in autumn and now I can't stop.
Ha, I know that feeling. Last question. Well, would you recommend photography to other people?
Absolutely, I would definitely recommend it, especially if you enjoy being outside and you want a creative hobby. You don't need an expensive camera. Your phone is enough to start. I would definitely recommend it. Slash, I would suggest trying. Use these phrases when talking about hobbies you love. I would definitely recommend yoga. It changed my life. Slash, I would suggest trying it at least once. Great for natural, enthusiastic conversation. Now, your turn. Pause the video and answer these 3 questions out loud in English. What do you enjoy doing? How often do you do it? How long have you been doing it? 3 questions. Just try. Word tour time. I say the phrase, Leo gives an example. You repeat after us. Ready?
Always ready. Let's go.
I enjoy plus verbing.
I enjoy cooking Italian food. Remember, always ing after enjoy. Never enjoy to cook.
I often.
I often go hiking at the weekend. Often equals many times. Try also, usually, sometimes, always, rarely.
I'm quite into.
I'm quite into jazz music lately. Casual, cool, very natural English. Use it.
It helps me relax.
Reading helps me relax after a long day. A perfect phrase to explain why you love your hobby.
How long have you been doing?
How long have you been doing yoga? For 6 months, since January. Use this question with new friends.
I would definitely recommend it.
I would definitely recommend hiking. It's good for your body and your mind.
Now, go to the comments. Tell us, what is your hobby? Write, I enjoy and I often. We want to know. We read every single comment and we love to hear from you.
Today you learned how to talk about your hobbies and free time in English, what you enjoy, how often you do it, how long you've been doing it, and how to recommend it to others.
The next time someone asks you, what do you do in your free time? You won't freeze. You will smile and say, I enjoy, I'm quite into, I often. And that conversation, it will feel easy and natural.
If this lesson helped you, like this video, subscribe to Ellie English Hub and share it with a friend who is learning English. Every share helps us reach more learners.
This is Ellie.
And this is Leo.
And you've been listening to Ellie English Hub. Keep practicing, keep enjoying, and we'll see you in the next lesson.